Amaya.
Ah, yeah.
There's a box in the hallway. Go get it.
It's nice out there, yo.
Bring the box in.
Man, I want to go back again, man, but I want to go back when it's when it's warmer. You feel me? When it's warmer out there.
Close the door.
Hold on a minute, yo. Hold on a minute, David. Hold on. What is that? What is that?
Open the box.
Who left that there?
What is that? What happened to Maya? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? What is that, Amaya? Let me see, Mama. What is that? Take her out. Amaya, what you...
Two dogs already in here.
What is it, Mama? What you got? What is it? Let me see. Amaya. What you got, little baby? What is it, Mama?
They don't see this
Hi, Mama. How you doing? Amaya, look it. Look it.
You gotta be the one to feed them. You're the one that gotta bring them the food. You're the one that gotta give them a bath when they need a bath. They got fleas. You don't want that shit in your house.
What you gonna say, Maya? Let me see. Hey, what you gonna say? Maya, what you gonna say? Hmm? Hey, what you gonna say? Are you happy? Is that what you wanted? What's gonna be her name? It's a girl. What's her name? Huh? Hi, little princess. You're a baby.